Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your enterprise bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in enterprise bank login. And as the search result, you can see on the first option, the website of enterprise bank. Click on it. It will take you to the official website of enterprise bank. And over here in this portal, choose your account type and click on login. You will be redirected to the login portal of Enterprise Bank, and over here enter the username of your account. Once you do that, enter the password of your account and click on login. You will be logged into your Enterprise Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, click here forgot password to reset it. And if you guys haven't yet enrolled into Enterprise Bank, click here on enroll now. So this was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.